So it is Vy. Now again T5 and T4. So T5 with T5 it is C. With T5 which SCR is connected, which phase is connected? B. So it will be VB, and with T4 it is connected R. So it is R. Again this T5 is B and T6. So T6 with T6, which phase is connected in the negative group? It is Y phase. So here we have a 6 waveform, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a complete cycle. You can also start from here also. Now if you start from here, then one complete cycle will be up to this, because in a complete cycle each SCR in a positive group will be conducting with each SCR in the negative group for 60-degree interval. That's why 60 into 6 will give you 6 waveform. Okay, now here we have got the required waveform. Now we will be interested here to analyze this or form a mathematical expression of these voltage. That then only we can understand whether the output voltage will be controlled or not, and there must be some controlling factor that we know. This is a firing angle is the controlling factor. So firing angle, by changing the firing angle you can easily change the output voltage. Now here we will analyze the output voltage. Okay, so for analyzing the output voltage, we know what is the average output voltage. V0 will be equal to, so it is average is, we know that 1 by 2 pi limit 0 to 2 pi V output d omega t. This is the universal formula. Now just take any one, because all the 6 will be same. All the 6 waveform are identical to each other. So take any one interval and multiply by 6. So take this VRY. So VRY, okay, so take this value VRY. So write here VRY d omega t. Now what about the limit? So just see what is the limit. Lower limit is pi by 2, and what is the upper limit? So it is the lower limit, and upper limit is 5 pi by 6. Okay, now this average voltage is for the firing angle of 60 degree. So pi by 2 VR, write the value of VR. So what is the value of VR? VRY, VR minus VY d omega t, and what it will be the limit? 5 pi by 6. Now minus the term pi by 3 and add the term any arbitrary value alpha. Now if the value of alpha is pi by 3, then this will be 0. So what I have done here, I have minus the pi by 3 value, okay, and then I have added some arbitrary value alpha. Similarly here also, so that we can get the output voltage for any firing angle, because we are interested in that only. Actually we have taken for an example a firing angle of alpha, that is pi by 3. So for just plotting the waveform, now these type of waveform will be similar to any other also firing angle. That's why what I have done here, I have subtracted the pi by 3 from the limit and added any arbitrary value alpha here. Okay, so it will be 3 pi by 3 pi. Now what will be the limit? So if we see the limit, 150 minus 60, that is pi by 2 plus alpha. And what is the limit here? Pi by 2 minus pi by 3, 90 minus 60, it is pi by 6 plus alpha. What is the value of VR? it is Vm sine omega t minus Vm sine omega t minus 2 pi by 3. See, you can take this also, any of this also. You can take this also. Okay, Vyb. But when you will take the Vyb, the limit will be 7 pi by 6 to 3 pi by 2. That you must remember. So I have taken this. Okay, you can also take this also. Any one you can take, because we are interested in one. We are calculating the one expression of 1 and multiplying it by 6, because we know the output average voltage will be 6 times of this small unit. So right here 3 pi by 3 pi, limit is pi by 6 plus alpha, pi by 2 plus alpha. Vm is being taken common, then it is sine omega t minus sine omega t minus 2 pi by 3 d omega t. Now it is again sin c minus sin d. So you all know that the value of sin c minus sin d is, put here first, pi by 2 plus alpha. So put here sin c minus sin d. So it is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 d omega t. Okay, so 3 Vm by pi, limit pi by 6 plus alpha to pi by 2 plus alpha, 2 into, this will be minus, so it will be sine, take here this as here, so sine pi by 3 into cos, this will be omega t minus pi by 3. Okay, it will be omega t minus pi by t, omega t. Now this sine 60, that is root 3 by 2, so it will be 3 Vm by pi. This is constant, so try to write here, put limit pi by 6 plus alpha, it is common, 2 into sine pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2, and here pi by 2 plus alpha, it is cos omega t minus pi by 3 d omega t. So it is 3 root 3 Vm by pi. Now integration of cos is sine omega t minus pi by 3. The limit will be pi by 6 plus alpha, pi by 2 plus alpha. So this we have, up to here we have calculated. Now write this again, simplifying this value. So we will be simplifying this value here. Okay, so we will write the value of these limits in place of omega t. So it will be 3 root 3 Vm by pi. Okay, it is sine omega t minus pi by 3, omega t minus pi by 2 plus alpha minus pi by 2 plus alpha minus pi by 3. Okay, by putting the limit, minus sine pi by 6 plus alpha minus pi by 3, by just putting the limit. Now again 3 root 3 by pi into Vm, so it will be sine 90 minus 60, that is pi by 6 plus alpha minus of minus pi by 6 plus alpha. it is sin C minus sin D again. So what is the value of sin C minus sin D? So if the value of sin C minus sin D is again 2 cos C plus D by 2. So it is 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C C minus D. So if it is minus, then it will be plus by 2. Okay, so this is the expression. So it is root 3 by pi into Vm. Now this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. So it will be sin pi by 6 into 2 cos, it is alpha, simple alpha, 2 alpha man, alpha. So it is 3 root 3 by pi Vm into 1 sin pi by 6 1 by 2 into 2 into cos alpha. So this will be cancelled. So the final expression will be this volt. Okay, will be this volt. See, root 3 by pi Vm sin pi by 6 into 2 cos alpha, then sin pi by 6 की value हो गई 1 by 2. Further simplifying this, you will get 3 root 3 by pi Vm cos alpha volt. So this is the final expression of a 3-phase output voltage expression of a 3-phase brisk converter circuit. So here we can see that by controlling the value of alpha, we can control the output voltage of 3-phase converter, and thus we can regulate the speed of the motor or any control the voltage across any load, which is the requirement of this topic. So I hope this may be clear to you. Okay, I will supply the notes of this bridge converter and single phase converter. Okay, thank you.